Welcome, gents. We are live with a trade recap today. Going to be doing a US100 trade recap, which was yesterday's trade, and then a Euro trade recap, which was today's trade. Both 3R wins, as you can see from my journal here. This data is looking really nice now. I'll go through the execution specifically. So I'll start with the US100 one because that was first. Then we'll go over this EU one, and I will tell you how everything went. So, daily time frame. We're starting from breaking down the bias. So the reason I took this on the daily was just because the last 5 candlesticks on the daily were insanely bullish. Look at the distance between the 5th candle to the 1st. Bullish. Going over to the 4 hour. We're looking for significant highs and significant lows getting raised one after the other. The first time that this happened, 3 in a row, was 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Boom. Bullish trend there. We didn't break structure to the downside since then, so I'd still be bullish from that point. Then on the 1 hour time frame, once again, the first time was here, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. I'll show you the line chart just to double check that. Then, on the lower time frame, we're looking for previous session lows. So obviously, when we're looking for previous session lows, we need to see what session we're in first. But essentially, that previous session low was taken out right here. Then we had the fake out right here, the break of structure right here, fib tool on that whole move, and then obviously got that retrace off. Oh, and then a TnB 3R win. You know the drill with how that goes. Okay, now let's go over, and obviously here's the journal trade, here's the entry and shit. Now, let's go over EU, which we just took, and hit TP a second ago. Unfortunately, for most people in the cord, it tapped just, okay? And for those, like, some people entered on the 5957, how I usually enter, they got entered, but honestly, I only got entered on my raw accounts with ACG, and then I got entered on 2 instant funding accounts. But my FTMOs, my live account, and all of my pro accounts with ACG, no fill on this EU win. So one of them, you don't get them all, you know what I mean? At least I've got most of the accounts filled. Some people would be gassed to even get filled on some. Some people don't even have enough accounts, so I should be grateful regardless. But I'll show you that trade as well. We'll break it down from the bias to the entry, and we'll get to it, boys, because at the end of the day, I want to show you what's good with this model. So, daily, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Bullish on the daily. 4 hour. Boom. We've broken structure to the upside many times. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Look at the line chart for the V and the N shape. Same again on the 1 hour. We're trending extremely bullish on EU. Waiting for those previous session sweeps, which we did have. Previous session level sweep right here. Fake out, straight up. Oh. Bro, I hate when it stuck's on the paint tool there. Fake out. First bullish candle, tap the fake out zone here. And let's just show you that. Let me measure this bad boy up. Boom, tap the fake out, broke structure here. So fake out here. BOS there. Tap the entry there. And then this one was like a high volume fucking tap and barrel straight to the Domington, to be honest with you guys. Boom. Once again, the Discord was in uproar today. Where was the entry? Let me get the exact thing right, because it matters. It was very close to... There you go. Discord was in uproar today. A lot of people didn't get filled. A lot of jargon, but let's congratulate those who did get filled. I know it's probability, but here are some of the boys here. A lot of guys, like I said, a lot of us had the same issue today with our shit. Since it only came so close, a lot of guys didn't get tapped in. It's one of them. It's one of them. It's going to happen. Whatever. What I will say is, we have now deleted our 3-day free trial for the VIP. We're only moving to application form because, you know what, bro? I'm done with just getting loads of randoms in the VIP. I'm done with getting signal bots in there. I'm turning the VIP to actually a team instead of a group. So we're trading as a team now. I do application only. I vet and interview each person that's applying. The price has stayed the same. We've actually added in a refund challenge to get people even more actionable on what we preach and our philosophies. So now, if you enter the VIP and you follow these rules, you'll get a full refund. Full refund. If you join us for 30 days, journal the trades you take with TnB, and they have to be TnB trades. Turn up to every live education session on the weekend on a Saturday once a week and submit an honest review of how you found it. We'll give you a full £99 refund, or we'll give you a free month. So either or. No brainer. I'm just trying to get you guys to actually action and be disciplined in trading. And I think giving you an incentive like this is probably a good way to go. So in the description of this video will be the new apply page, and then you can book a call and have an interview with one of us, and you know what I'm saying, see if you can get in, because I want you guys to join the team, but I am had enough with all these dorks that are just low vibration, don't know the game, and just aren't willing to learn, aren't willing to put in the effort, and they aren't serious. So yeah, that's why we've closed it up. Hope you understand. Peace, love and unity. I'll see you boys in the next one.